please make that step, that bold step. Let me tell you, fear is the beginning of failure. So the moment you just do that one baby step, you'll be shocked by yourself.
Exactly.
That's what I would love to tell someone.
That is her message. Fear is the beginning of failure. Yeah, that is my quote for this week. Most of us are held back by fear. We don't want to work, we don't want to decide, we want to keep procrastinating, waiting for the right time. The right time will never come until you decide right now is the right time. I've had people who have been watching for months and months, just wanting to be able to start. And let me tell you something. If you keep waiting, what you're doing is that you're pushing your destiny away. The moment you start, it is the beginning of you going to it. I want you to imagine if I waited and I say, let me watch this for 6 months or 7 months, or there are people who watch me for a very long time. Guess what? I would still be in the same teaching job that I hated. I would still be struggling to provide treatment for my family. I would never be able to afford vacations like I do now. I wouldn't even be here to impact someone like Alice all the way from Kiambu to come and learn how it works. So I want you guys to know that this business works if you decide it's going to work. Very excited for you. You can do it. Let me know that you want to come for physical by commenting physical. We have got a few open slots for Saturday. You can book by commenting physical.